If you're experiencing audio desync issues in Roblox, follow these steps to configure your settings for a smoother experience. This guide will help you troubleshoot and adjust your audio settings effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A poor connection can lead to audio lag. Test your speed and consider switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Update Roblox. Make sure you are using the latest version of Roblox. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve audio issues. Check for updates in the Roblox app or website. Step 3. Adjust audio settings. Open the Roblox settings menu while in game. Navigate to the audio settings and adjust the volume levels. Sometimes lowering the volume can help with desync issues. Step 4. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use a lot of system resources can interfere with Roblox's performance, including audio playback. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing audio desync issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync problems in Roblox. If issues continue, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.